Hi friends, welcome back. This tutorial is how to melt C55 Luxury Tart Wax. So C55 comes in a rectangle block, and here I'm using a straight soap cutter. I prefer to use the straight soap cutters. So I start from rocking back and forth using the end of the soap cutter, and I cut in the middle. And then I will, from there, I'll do the same thing. I'll use the end of the straight soap cutter. I'll just apply some hard pressure. You do have to apply hard pressure, rocking back and forth, and it will cut up. So I'll just cut up in small squares here. Now there's a couple of ways you can melt your wax. You can take a metal pitch pour like I have here, place your wax in the pitch pour, then make a double boiler that consists of two containers, and one of them nested inside the other. So that pitch pour would go into a pot with water, and the water would boil and melt the wax. The other way is using a Presto pot like I have here. It's really simple and easy. You just add the wax and it will melt. The Presto pot will melt it for you. I like to set my tip at 220. So there I go, it's 219. Now I'm ready to pour. Here I'm going to weigh my pitch pour on my scale. Then I'm going to press the tare button, add the wax until it reaches 1 pound, and I'm adding a 15% fragrance load. So 16 ounces is equivalent to 1 pound times 15%, and I'm just going to round it up to 2.5. I went over 2.6, not going to hurt me there. My tempo is at 209, and then I'm going to stir for 60 to 90 seconds. From here, you can add in your color, which is your candle dye, and pour. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.